Hi guys, I'm Dawn,
I'm Stone.
and we are with 7 is Enough. Today we're going to take you to Ma and Pa's restaurant in Claycomo, Missouri. So the next restaurant that we're going to review is Ma and Pa's Kettle restaurant. And it doesn't say Ma and Pa's Kettle on the sign. It just says Ma and Pa's, but it's Ma and Pa's Kettle. So Ma and Pa's Kettle is at 417 East 69 Highway in Claycomo, in the Claycomo Plaza Shopping Center. And they're just a great place to eat. We ordered the hash burger, which was really interesting, and it was a hamburger. We ordered the cheeseburger with hash browns on it. We got that and everybody tasted it, and it was very tasty. Homemade, obviously, patties. And they do a lot of daily specials. Like one day they'll have spaghetti, one day they'll have meatloaf. We ordered the meatloaf as well. The meatloaf came covered in gravy. And the gravy was great. If you don't like gravy, just make sure you ask for no gravy because they will give you plenty. And it was really good. We devoured that. The green beans were great, just like homemade green beans. We ordered the chili, and the chili was really good. You can always tell homemade food. Their menu is pretty good. They have all kinds of hamburgers. They have the open-faced hot beef. They have even a half of the open-faced hot beef if you want a half. The hot chicken, fried chicken, it was like open-face, like an open-faced sandwich with white gravy, and that was my favorite. I believe that was my favorite. What was your favorite?
My favorite was either the hash burger or the open-faced hot beef.
I actually ate more, I think, of the hash burger than anything else. I think that burger ended up in front of me and I just kind of engulfed it.
Also, we got the sweet potato fries.
And they were really good. I enjoyed those. I ate them with ranch dressing.
I did too.
Which was good. Ranch dressing was good. And we got grilled cheese, which I did not get a good picture of the grilled cheese because it was on the kids menu, and as soon as it sat down in front of my daughter, she had a bite out of either half of the sandwich. So what was cute about that restaurant was the plates for the kids, Disney or Barbie. So they loved that. The kids thought that was neat. And they have booths on either wall, and then they have this cute little bar that you can sit at, that just a little diner bar that I love. It reminds me of when I was a kid and I would go visit my mama and papa in southern Missouri, and they would take me to this old, looked like a 50s diner, and we would sit up at the bar and eat chili and eat crackers with my papa, or get a malt. And so we love that, that old bar. And the people were so friendly. Just a couple old regulars sitting at the bar.
The Belgian waffle, it was super good.
I tried to take a picture that would show how thick it was. And I don't think I did it justice because I looked back on the pictures, but it was like that thick. I mean, it was
delicious.
It was really fat and creamy and sweet, and I loved it. I wish I had gotten the waffle to begin with. It was huge and really good.
Next time we go there, I'm getting a waffle.
Yeah, they have quite a good variety. Their hours are 7 to 2:30, Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday they're open until 2. I think it's 7 to 2, and then Sunday I believe it's 8 to 2. Then there was a table full of regulars, the coffee club or whatever you want to call them, the old geezers. I think one of them
said is like the old geezers.
One of them called them, the old geezer club. And they were there as the place was closing. I mean, they knowing that it's closing down. And so we just loved it. I love the way, they have the royal stuff on one side of the place, and on the other wall, on the other side, they have the Chiefs stuff. They have one booth that looks like on the wall is Harley Davidson, because Harley Davidson is in Kansas City, had a manufacturing place in Kansas City. And obviously Ford. There was this little old lady. I didn't take a picture because I didn't want to be disrespectful. But there was this little old lady at a booth, and we looked over, and she had 3 eggs and a stack of bacon. I mean, I would say at least 6 inches tall. Mm-hmm. It was stacked bacon, and that was her lunch. That's what she ate for lunch. It was huge, and it looked great. I'm like, oh, I'm so coming back for breakfast. So I'm pretty excited to go back. The desserts. When she brought out the dessert options, we were really excited. Mm-hmm. The
carrot cake was delicious.
We devoured the key lime pie.
Mm-hmm. I don't like key lime pie, but that was really good.
I'm not an orderer of key lime pie either, but we ordered it because it just looked good. Mm-hmm. And yeah, we all ate it. Carrot cake was really thick and moist, and it was great. Butterscotch pie, and it was also good. I love that small town care that investing. They invest in the lives of their regulars. They have this cute little birthday thing that they did. Cool. I think that is the cutest thing that these regulars absolutely love, coming in and getting their little cute cracker. I've never seen anything like it. Mm-hmm. It's all original. Yeah, they have a little sign that says happy birthday, and they set it there, and they make it special. So if you have not been to a small town restaurant, go find one.
And they're really fast.
They were fast.
Well, I really liked Mom and Pa's. I really like the name too because I love the show Mom and Pa.
So what was your favorite thing about Mom and Pa's restaurant?
They had good cake.
Yes, they did have good cake.
We even got to the waffle.
They had, oh my gosh, the waffle.
The Belgian waffle.
The Belgian waffle. It was huge.
Waffles. The waffles.
We like the waffles.